Good morning, it's me again, Daryl. You can see my bike in the background here, 2006 Harley Lowrider. Oh, this is Tinkerbell. Hi, Tinker. Well, she's tired. She wants to sleep. I did a maintenance on my bike this year and did quite a maintenance. Oil, filter. Everything was lubed, everything was checked, tensions on the belt, bearings again this year. I did them last year, I did everything this year. I went over the whole bike again. So the only thing is, down here I cannot start my bike up in the basement, and the weather outside was, it's winter. So now I'm finally getting some nice weather. I can get the bike out. I'll have to start the bike up, get the filter filled. I will check the oil, let the bike idle for a little while, get it warmed up, and then top the bike up to where Harley recommends. So I'll bring you along with me, and we'll go outside and do a little bit of maintenance, I guess. Maintenance has already been done, but yeah, you know what I mean. Okay, just a sec. As you can see, we're outside. It is a lot nicer than what it was. It's very nice and warm. So we can do a little bit of work outside now instead of in the garage or in the basement. So this is what I do when I can't start the bike and I know I don't have enough oil in there to protect the engine. So I just put a little sticker on there, something to tell me, to remind me to check the oil or add oil. So let me put you down and we'll do the oil. So I guess you can see there, I'm crouched down beside you here. I just had the bike straightened up and everything, so we're gonna... The manual says screw it in, take it out. So I don't know if you can see here, I got just about 3/4. I'm at just about the 3/4 mark, so I'm going to screw that back in and I'm going to get the bike started. I can take my sticker off because I know I got enough fuel or enough oil. Shut it down. I usually just give it a second. I know the oil filter filled. So what I'm going to do now is just wipe it clean again. And just see if I need to add any. No, so I'm at the halfway mark. So I know the bike is okay to idle. gas, because I pumped almost all the gas out of this thing. So you say with the engine warm, yeah, that's warm. Ow, that's warm. The exhaust is warm anyway. So I'm down, I don't know if you can see that right there. There's full mark. I'm going to add a little bit. I tear the label off of mine when I do my oil changes, and I put the label in my book to tell exactly what oil I used each time I do an oil change. So this time I always use this, the Lucas. Big fan of Lucas, always have been. Use it in all my trucks, gas trucks anyway, and everything else that I have. So just over the halfway mark, just that halfway mark. We'll get another one. Yep. Exhaust warms up fast. We need more. I think when I did it, I only put one cord in to start with, or 1.5. One and whatever that one was. Try this again. There we go, we're almost to the full mark. Another little dribble should do it. There we are. 1 hash tag thing down from full. Of course, after my first short ride, I usually just go around town and then come back and check all the oil levels again. They did the primary, secondary, and engine, so yeah. We'll do another check when we get back. Well, I hope you found that either informative or entertaining. That's just the way I do it. If you do it differently, I know a lot of people put the oil in the filter and put the filter on, but where it's straight in like that and I'm in my basement, I don't want to spill oil and stuff, so I do it this way. Any filter that goes in straight, I don't put any oil in it. I'll start the engine, check, start the engine, check. That's the way I've been doing it now. I'm 61 years old, so it hasn't let me down yet. So if you like it, if you don't, if you want to comment on how you do it, let me know. Okay, thank you. I'll be back with another one.